Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and that part one has not been out very long, and somebody's already asked the question why I didn't use just a pure white star. So we're going to make a duplicate of this because we're going to play around with it. This is why I don't use a pure white star. Well, it all depends on the look you want, but we'll go to the blend tool and we'll blend it. And then we'll blend that 200 magical times. And I'm going to take the outline of the star away. You can kind of see a star. It's real white, where in this, it's more of just a glow. Still the little blue stars there. Let's try something else. Let's try taking this star, the white one, and let's rotate it 22.5 degrees. Now let's blend it and see what we get. Total different look. I need to take the right click, take the outline away. That's a pretty neat effect. It kind of hides the star. And you could do that with, anything, different shapes. Let's select the star and let's make it like a 10-sided star to get just a different look. Take the outline away. I don't like it as much because it's still going off the perimeters, but it's kind of neat. Anyway, I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.